Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Shop Miss haul. So I have quite a few makeup products because I had been just holding off on Shop Miss because they take too long to get to me, and also I don't know, they haven't at the moment, they weren't adding as many like fun products. So I just waited until they added a bunch of new makeup products, and finally I have accumulated quite a few in this haul. I also do have some like beauty style products and a bunch of like miscellaneous things as well. So if you want to see what I picked up from Shop Miss, just keep on watching. So first off, we're going to start with the miscellaneous products first. We have two mystery bags. I did go ahead and buy two because I'm planning on doing one with my sister. If not, I'll just do two separate mystery bag situations. Again, they're doing that same thing where they put it in that mesh bag. Girl, it's not a mystery if I can see what's inside. I went ahead and purchased two of them. I think each one is $5, maybe 10. I honestly don't remember. But we have this black mesh bag and also a purple one. So yeah, you can definitely see what's in here, but I kind of don't want to keep looking at it, so I'm gonna wait for that video to come out. But yeah, I did go ahead and purchase two of their mystery bags. Went ahead and picked this up. Honestly, I don't know what this is called. It's basically just for your feet. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show it because I did pick it up, and it feels really nice quality as well. So definitely can't wait to try this out. I purchased this hairbrush. They did go ahead and add a bunch of different style hairbrushes, which I think is super exciting. So I saw this one here in purple and it looks stunning. So this is called their Air Vented Brush, and basically it's supposed to detangle your hair. It did retail for $188, and again, it's in this beautiful purple shade. Girl, I've really been into purple lately. So it says it's supposed to volumize, add bounce to flat hair. It says it detangles and volumizes, and it also is comfortable in the hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, that looks really nice, and it feels really nice quality as well. The bristles almost feel a little cheapy, to be honest. I don't know, hopefully they don't break off easily, but the actual product itself, like holding it, is really nice, really easy. It doesn't feel like, I don't know, it feels nice and comfortable, and I definitely cannot wait to try it further in my hair. But it looks really nice and promising, and I love that it's like that air vented kind of product, because then it doesn't, like, all the hair doesn't get stuck in there. So I'm guessing it's like really easy to clean as well. So really nice product. Can't wait to try this out. To go ahead and buy these razors for my boyfriend. So these are the A2. It comes with 4 6-blade cartridges, so he just needs to refill. So I picked some up. But yeah, if you're looking for refills on there, if you haven't tried, the razors, actually really good. I talked about them in a past Shop Miss video. My Shop Miss playlist link down below if you want to catch up on that. But I did go ahead and buy him some refills because, girl, the razors are top notch, and I literally use them every single time that I shower. Amazing. So he needed some refills, so I just went ahead and picked up this 4-pack right here. I also went ahead and picked this up. This is not really for me. I picked it up for my grandpa, but I don't know if he's gonna use it. So if he doesn't use it, I just might find some kind of use for it. This is a 3-combination anti-theft cable lock, and basically it looks like so. I saw this on the site and I thought it was really intriguing. Just something to have on hand in case we need a small little lock like this, or maybe I'm gonna ask my mom if she needs it. But basically it says easy to set, 3 digital combination. It says long, strong, flexible steel wire cable, and it says durable zinc alloy. So it just looks really cool, and even like for when you're traveling, I think you need some kind of protection on your luggage or whatever, they have them on Shop Miss. So yeah, it looks really nice and really nice quality. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the packaging just in case, just so you know all the information is on here, so I don't want to toss that. But yeah, really intriguing. Next product I picked up was the AOA Studio Bling It On nail art picking wand. So this is basically for you want to throw glitter on your face. You can even use it for when you're doing your makeup looks. You need something to like pick stuff up with, like glitter or what do they call, like those little gems. Really easy to use. So you use this, and it basically says it has a wax inside, and the wax just helps you pick it up easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So it looks like so. They didn't really have any other designs to them, they just had this one, but can't wait to try it out and see if it actually works for me, or if I want to like add gems to my nails or whatever. I can definitely use this, so it's definitely gonna get used. But I just don't love that they didn't have different designs. But basically this design has like little diamonds on it, and you can see the wax on each side. So if you're like a nail artist, or if you like need something like this, they do have them on Shamise as well. So really intriguing. Can't wait to see if I actually use it. So we have some fuzzy socks. You guys know I love the fuzzy socks from Shamise. I went ahead and picked up a black pair just because my other lighter ones do tend to get a little dirty for like walking around the house and stuff. So I went ahead and picked up this black pair right here. So hopefully these don't get as dirty, but we'll see. But they're just really nice and soft, especially for the winter months and stuff. Definitely recommend you pick some of these up in whatever color you want. But yeah, they literally have them in so many sizes, so many colors. It's just so nice. They're so comfortable. So definitely had to pick some more up. All right, now, oh gosh. Now we're getting into the more like beauty style products. Next we have some jewelry. So this is a pair of earrings. This is literally the only piece of jewelry that I picked up this time. I just thought these were really intriguing. They had like a little cross to them, but I love that it's like almost like swooped behind the ear. I think these are going to look so beautiful on. So definitely cannot wait to try these out. I'll probably have them in the next time that I film, but these look stunning. The ones that I have on today are actually also from Shamise. Really love the jewelry. The ring is from Shamise. Necklace is not, but yeah, stunning. Let me go ahead and get in here so we can see it a little more close up vibes. This is stunning, girl. They're so beautiful. And again, I did get them in gold. I think they also did come in silver, but they just look beautiful. So I can't wait to throw these on. In case you needed more close up, that's how it looks outside of the packaging. All right, we also went ahead and grabbed some AOA Studio Instant Hair Removal Wax Strips. So I've been seeing these a lot on there, so I just wanted to try them out. It does come with 6, it says it's 3 double-sided strips, I guess, that come in here, and it's basically just supposed to take off your hairs. You can use it on your legs, wherever you want, and yeah, it looks really interesting. So it says fast and easy hair removal for silky smooth skin. It helps remove short hair at the root. It says it's flexible, it's easy and fast. So, and it gives you the instructions on the back. So I think this is really interesting. If you've used it, definitely let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this product. It looks really intriguing. So I don't know if I should get in here or leave them in here. I kind of want to leave it in the packaging, but definitely can't wait to try these out. Yeah, went ahead and reordered this. So this is a pack of the Cherry Blossom line. So if you guys have seen these on the site, basically comes with a lotion, a shower gel, and a body mist. So this is the one in Cherry Blossom. Retails for $4 on the site, and I had ordered this in my last haul, or my last purchase, but they didn't throw it in the package. I guess they had like run out, or there was none in stock, so I repurchased it, and so excited. These are really nice, like travel size kind of products. So you do get the shower gel, which looks really intriguing. I love my shower gels. We also have the body mist. I am gonna go ahead and smell that right now. And then we also have the lotion, which I love that it's super small because I can throw it in my purse. Love that it has a cover to it because my recent lotion spilled all over my bag. So super annoying, but yeah, love that it comes with a little top. Let's go ahead and smell the body mist. Oh, it's a nice light fragrance. Okay, definitely giving me vibes of the Bath and Body Works cotton lotion. They also have a candle in that line. Smells amazing. Cannot wait to try these out because they are pretty small, so I don't think you get a whole lot of product in here. You get 1 fluid ounce in here, yeah, 30 milliliters. So yeah, I'll definitely be updating you guys in my empties videos. I picked up 1 pair of their press-on nails. These are the AOA Studio or the AOA Pro Premium press-on nails. So I picked up this style again because they were just that amazing. These are in the style Fierce. They retail for $5. Girl, they last a long time, and you get a total of, how many nails do you get in here? 24 nails. You get a nail file, a glue, and a wooden cuticle wand. They're super easy to throw on, and I love that they go with every single outfit. They're almost like a nude kind of vibe, but with a pink kind of undertone to them. Amazing. Love these, and I definitely, that's how you know I love them, because I wouldn't pay $5 for press-on nails when I could get them on Temu for $1. So they're just so good, girl. So I needed to repurchase these. We're getting into the makeup. Another repurchase was the AOA Studio brow pen. So this is a micro brow pen in the shade dark brown. Yes, so this did retail for $155. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that the last one that I had, it was new and it dried up, so it was super annoying. So I went ahead and repurchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the packaging. So there's a look at that. I also do have the one in ebony, I believe, and that one's just a little too dark, but I really love this product for my brows, so I cannot wait to see if this one's good again. It's just so annoying that the last one dried up so quickly, but this is definitely a ride or die product for me. Love it. Not really a repurchase. I just don't think I've purchased this specific one. So this is a Malibu Glitz Smoothing Primer. This one here is in the shade 3, and it is their blue little primer. So if you guys watch my Get Ready With Me videos on Instagram, you guys know I have various colors in these little primers. This is the one that I just never purchased. So I wanted to see what this can do. So I went ahead and purchased the blue one. I also did repurchase the AOA Studio Artista liquid liner. However, this one is part of their reformulated line, so I want to see if this is the same. Oh, it has a felt tip. Okay, so they did change the applicator. Oh wow, that's really promising. Really excited about that. The other Artista liners that were on there before are a brush tip, so this is a felt tip. So this is going to be really interesting. Cannot wait to see how I like this or hate this. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to love the change of application, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and try this out in a full face of full face of Shop Miss soon. So yeah, I also did just film this video using a full face of Dollar Tree, so that is the makeup that I have on today, but cannot wait to try these out. I also picked up another shade in the, what is this called? Venetian Romance Creamy Eyeshadow situation. I do have 2 other ones in my collection, and I picked up this pinky one. This one here is in the shade Jewels, which looks like that. It is just a creamy eyeshadow, as the name implies, and it looks so beautiful. Again, cannot wait to try all of these makeup products on camera with you guys, but look at how beautiful that is. And then swatch that, stunning. I did go ahead and repurchase another one of these gel lip liners. This one is in a different shade. This one here is in Whiskey. So I have been noticing I don't really love this formula because they do break often. It's really hard to sharpen as well. So I picked up a different shade, so hopefully this one works out better for me. This one here is in the shade Whiskey. Looks really nice and almost like a reddish brown shade. So definitely can't wait to try this out on the lips. I also did pick up a AOA Studio lipstick. This one here is in the shade Fringe, and I believe these are new to their site as well. I almost picked up all of them, but I don't need them. So I picked up a lipstick that will go really well with the lip liner. Oh yeah, that looks so beautiful. They're really nice and creamy from what I can tell just watching it, but cannot wait to try these 2 together on the lip. And the packaging also feels like really nice quality. It doesn't feel cheapy at all. This did retail for $188 on the site. We also have another brow product. They just added these to the site as well. These are their Tinted Brow Fix Gels in the shade Dark Brown, and I believe this line retails for $188 on the site. Basically looks like that. So it's just supposed to give you a little bit of a tint to the brows. Definitely cannot wait to try this and see my thoughts. But they also do have some brow gels on there. I've tried those before. They're actually really nice. I did wish that the wand was a little smaller, which I'm glad they added with these situations, but cannot wait to try these on the brows and see my thoughts. Next makeup product, I picked up this. So this is a Flawless Long Wear Liquid Foundation in the shade T1. So the actual color variations were really hard to pick out. Very much like undertone driven, and I don't really know my undertone, to be honest. I just pick whatever it's gonna look like it's gonna match me. So I just picked up this shade here, so hopefully it does. It looks really interesting. Look at the applicator. All right, it may be just a tad dark, but we can definitely make it work. Looks really intriguing. Cannot wait to see the coverage of this product and see how it wears as well. So we're definitely going to be using all of this in a new full face of Shop Miss. Just definitely subscribe so you guys can watch that, but definitely excited to try this out. Picked up all of their mood balms. So these are their Mood Glow lip balms. These smell amazing. I did smell them when I opened them, you know, when the package came in, and they just smell so potent. It's really nice. Literally looks like that. They're just really cute, but the smells are just so nice. So this one here is in Energized Orange. Really nice. Haven't tried them on the lips, however. We also have this one in Blissful Grape. They just look so beautiful, and again, they just have some really like nice scents to them as well. This one is in Flushed Strawberry. I don't think they have any type of tint. Oh, they have like a slight tint to them. Okay, I kind of want to swatch the other ones now. Oh yeah, okay, so they do have a slight tint to them. So we'll see how they look like once they're on. And then this is Bussin' Cherry. That one doesn't have as much pigment to it, but super excited about these. You guys know I love my lip balms. Oh yes, it says color changing lip balm on the back. So basically I picked up all 4 of these. Also picked up all 4 of their I Love Dew, I think these are just lip oils. So basically we have 4 shades. We have the one in Sugar Coat, which is their orange. We have this one in Glow. These are so beautiful. I love the packaging. This one here is in Bloom. I haven't opened these. And then we have the one in Glass. So these are part of the A+ line. So I think these are like, well, $188. So let's go ahead and get in here. I really love the big doe foot applicator. Cannot wait to try it on the lips. It definitely feels like a more like hydrating kind of lip oil. Nothing slip or slidey. It feels like really nice and thick. So definitely cannot wait to try these on the lips as well. They look so beautiful. And I love all the different colors in these. So they did add this line here. So this is their Magical Girl line. So I picked up both of the products. So this is a Magical Girl Brow Lift Sculpting Wax. I don't really use these types of products a whole lot, to be honest, nowadays. But literally looks like an ABH dupe. So I just went ahead and picked it up. Basically, it's just a clear brow wax for your brows. So I'll see how this works. So from the A+ line, we also have their Magical Girl, what are you? This is their gloss highlighter for face, eyes, and lips. Looks like so. This one also just looked really intriguing. So I just went ahead and picked it up. Retail for $188 on the site. Love the big doe foot applicator. Oh, this one definitely feels more on the fluid side. Okay, interesting. Cannot wait to try this out as well. I don't think I would use it as a highlight, to be honest, but this is very much like clean girl aesthetic vibes. So yeah, we'll definitely have to use these together. I picked up a concealer. So this is the AOA Studio Locked Creamy Concealer. These also had an interesting undertone to them on the site. Just like picking the shades was a little hard, but I just went ahead and used, or picked up LW1 in, what shade are you? Light Warm. Not loving that tiny little doe foot applicator. I don't know how I'm feeling about the packaging itself, but there is the shade. I think it's gonna be way too light for me, but we'll see. We'll make it work. Again, the undertones on the site are just a little hard to choose from, and sometimes they look a little darker in person, sometimes they look a little lighter. So we'll see how I make this work, but it is a little too light for me. They also added these. So these are part of that like clean girl aesthetic vibe as well. These are their I Love Dew little collection. These are their blush drops, and I just thought this sounded really intriguing. I really love their other like liquid blushes and stuff, so definitely want to try these out and see my thoughts. So these are I picked up 2 again, 2 like pinky shades. We have the shade Dolly, and then this one here is in the shade Foxy. How the look. This one is in Dolly. Oh, it's almost like a serum, very like liquidy vibes. A little bit goes a long way kind of situation. That looks stunning. Let's try this one. You definitely don't need a whole lot of product, to be honest. Oh, this one seems a little less liquidy, which is the one in Foxy. Yeah, this one is definitely more dewy, but they just look stunning. So I cannot wait to try these out. And they definitely stain the hand. So I guess they're gonna be like face stains, which is gonna be interesting. I know some people don't love that. So yeah, keep that in mind. If you don't love something that stains, I don't think you're gonna enjoy these. But yeah, they did already stain my hand, as you can see, and my finger. Awesome. Did add these as well. These are the AOA Studio Shade Adjusting Drops. I thought I'd try 2 of them out. This one here is their custom mix for your foundation and concealers, and this is basically just supposed to make your foundation or concealer more on the warm side. And then I also did pick up the white to make it a little lighter. So cannot wait to see if I actually use these or if they're just gonna sit there. But I definitely wanted to try this formula and see my thoughts. I definitely have some foundations in my collection that are a little too light. Like the concealer, I can definitely drop some of these in there and see if it works. But yeah, cannot wait to see if these work for me. So lastly, I picked up all 4 of these little duos. So these are called their Fly With Me blush and highlight duos. Looks like so. It is part of the Papa line, so it's like $155, and it basically comes in various colors. So I picked up all 4. I couldn't really choose one that I wanted. So there is the Evolve duo. This one here is in Silk Wings. This one here is in Flutter. And lastly, this one here is in Nectar. So these look really intriguing. Cannot wait, again, just like everything that I picked up, cannot wait to try these out. And this is actually the last makeup product. Let me know what you're excited to see in my next full face of Shop Miss video. I'm really excited to try all of this out. Again, I do have my Shop Miss playlist linked down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.